that were encountered SG over the weekend is just, I'll just mention two. Well, there was a challenge with regard to food, but then it was resolved. The province was able to intervene and be able to resolve that challenge. The second challenge is around mobilization buggies. Our mobilization buggies, SG, the sound system is not as good as we need it to be for this particular campaign. So if we can have the sound system to be maybe fixed for our buggies, it will assist us in terms of being able to loud hail, and our message will be very clear and it will be very audible to members of the community. So those are just the two challenges that I wanted to highlight, SG. That is the report from the voter registration weekend. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Commissar. Fighters, now are going to take this opportunity and give it to the SG, but before that, can we have a devotional song, a very vibrant one, so that the SG can come to the podium?
Long live the Commander-in-Chief, long live. 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 Amandla. Gina fighter Gina. Gina fighter Gina. Gina fighter Gina. I saw me fight, I saw me. I saw me fight, I saw me. I saw me fight, I saw me. Manda. No, thank you very much. Sibonge ku Sekela Sihlalo. We province yaseMpumalanga. Sibingelele ku Treasurer General. Commissar Omphile Mawodi. Sibingelele kubuholi basi-CT awukhokhelwa uconvener uCommissar Susan. Sibingelele kubuholi obukhona la beprovince obukhokhelwa unobhala weprovince. Sitshele ukuthi uSihlalo akekho kukhona lapho esamatasa khona. Sibingelele kubuholi beregion. Sibingelele kunina ma-ground forces of the EFF la kulo masipala waseMkhondo. Lo masipala esithe asize namhlanje. Sizonitshela ukuthi lo masipala umasipala wenu as fighters of the EFF. Yinina ekufanele nithathe isinqumo manje ukuthi nizokwenza njani ngalo masipala. Ngiyazi ukuthi kukhona iward eyama ByElections manje. Amanye amaward awu5 ila wazo yama ByElections manje mhla ka14 kuDisemba. Kukhona amanye amaward awu3 ezayo. okubonakalisa ukuthi uKhongolose usefike backstage akasazi ukuthi uyena lapho sebeyadidizela. Sebefike backstage, sebefike egcineni akekho umuntu ongabasiza. So size la kunena fighters today because we need to plan. Remember, we are revolutionaries. Ours, it's science. So I say this into sidwanguza nje ehlathini ngathi abantu baKhongolose. We sit and plan. Sihlala phansi sikwazi ukuthi sizokwenza kanjani ukuze siphumelele ekunqobeni lamawadi nalo masipala eventually. So asibona abantu abahlalayo bathi hayi so kuqa amadolo sithi uNkulunkulu fika. No, we sit and plan. We sit and plan. Ngoba njengamaqhawe, the warriors, amaqhawe uma ngawa uyiqhawe wazi uma ngabe uphuma uyozingela uphethe izinja zakho uhamba uthi namhlanje ngiyozingela. Uma uyiqhawe inkinga yakho kuba uSouth kuphela, hayi ukuthi ngizobamba noma ngizobamba na. Ukuthi uzobamba lapha kusho ukuthi into abantu abathatha ama chance. Kufanele wazi ukuthi njengokuphuma ngempini manje ngizokwenza kanjani ukuthi nginqobe lapho ngiyakhona. So we need to prepare for victory. Because as warriors, we win first before we go to a battle. Because if you go to a battle and hoping to win, you're going to be defeated. And that is why it's Zela, because this is a special project. This province, we're preparing the ground for 2024. But we're not going to wait for 2024 when abantu baseMkhondo is saying, right now, we want to be led by the EFF. They are waiting for you to lead them. But what becomes a solution? We make sure we get victory. One, we need to speak amongst each other. So that there is no confusion amongst each other. So yilo wesokwenza njengasila namhlanje. Iqiniso lokuqala sokutshela lona ukuthi njengasiya kulama ByElections, if we fighter elize la ngoba lithi kuzofuna umsebenzi kufanele kwazi wakho umsebenzi. Uma abanihlale lapho nihlangana khona ukuthi wazotshela nezihlobo zakho nabangani ukuthi hey kunama ByElections, uyabona manje sengizoba i-councillor candidate le-EFF kwathini wazothenga noKentucky noBia, kusho ukuthi waste imali yakho. Because the leadership is going to guide this process. So there must be no confusion amongst you. And you think that you came here because you wanted to be a councillor candidate. Because any one of you who's here because you wanted to be a councillor candidate, you must know that is a chance taker. You must know that is an opportunist. You must know that that person is not here to make sure that abantu baseMkhondo who are crying about land and jobs, who are young people of this municipality who have surrendered to alcohol and drugs, they get assisted. They are here for their families. And abantu that come as leaders, about they are here for their families. They are dangerous in a revolution. Sifuna abaholi abazasihola ngokweqiniso. Umholi ngohola ngokweqiniso always allow guidance from the organization. Always allow guidance from the leadership to say, what is the EFF saying, not what you are saying. Because now opportunity, so by councillor candidate, I've not allowed what is the EFF saying. Because I must allow the EFF will say, in eMkhondo, following the principles of this organization, which is democratic centralism. Lapho esithi siqale sifike sixoxisane sibonisane bese siyavumelana. Sithi uma sesivumelene leso siqumo esisithathile, it's binding to all of us. Manje mawuqala ngokuzibeka ube i-candidate, uma abasifika thina sithi sicabanga ukuthi i-candidate lethu kule ward wa 13 akube i-candidate yele umuntu wesifazane, after sesenze our analysis sabona basi strong kanje wena njengasosithengela ubhiyane eKFC kuzakwenzekani kuwena